Hello everybody, welcome to our new tutorial. Today we are going to talk about cassette templates, which are three-dimensional layouts. This is quite a new feature in Designer, so let's have a closer look at it. My perimeters have been already predefined. I'm gonna go to choose one of those 5 templates. So there are 5 templates, but we're planning to extend it in the future. I'm gonna go for a single band template, the simplest one. So you see here a three-dimensional drawings where you can enter your dimensions. You can define the burr site, and also you can choose one of those 4 options or all of them for the bands. We're gonna go back to that in a minute. So I would like to adjust my band to 50 millimeters. That's the maximum you can have, at least for the moment. The minimum is 11 millimeters. You probably ask yourself a question: what's the maximum for the width and the length? I help you to understand it, and I also help you to calculate it. So let's enter here 1305 by 2980. However, those are not those maximum dimensions of a cassette. These are the dimensions, the maximum of a flat metal sheet. So bear in mind that you need to decrease them by the measurement of your folding of your band. So in this case by 50, so it would be 1305 minus say about 50 millimeters, 2980 minus 50 respectively. I would like to go back to the previous dimensions. So it's 1000 by 1000 millimeters. Okay, 1000. I'm gonna keep all those bands on the left, on the right, on the top, and on the bottom, and both sides on the inside. So the rough side is on the inside of my cassette. This is a very important feature, right? So I click on Create. And here we go. This is my outline. I would like to make some adjustments here. I'd like to cut a rectangle. So I'm gonna make a cut. You already know this function from our previous sessions. And now I'm ready to go and move to the perforated zone. And here I use again the adjustment tool. Margin 10 millimeters, we keep it as it is, and click on this tool. Now I can place perforation anywhere. I just need to click to define the area. So let's say here. I can also include it on our band. So let's click here, and on the left side, here we go. That's it. It's done. You can place your fixing holes if you wish, but I'm not gonna deal with it today, as you know it from previous sessions how to do it. I'm gonna go to the preview. You can rotate your cassette. That helps you to check if everything is fine as you please. So I can zoom in, I can turn it around and rotate it. Here I've got my perforation as well, here my cut. You see the single band, you see the corners, and also major dimensions. I would like to go back to the first view. Now I see the front of my cassette. I go back to the template. I'm gonna play around with other templates. Just this is a quick overview, so I hope you're gonna practice a little more after watching this session. So let's go to the double band inside 90 degrees by 90 degrees. I'm gonna adjust my band here to 50, and I will go to the burr side outside. So the burr side is on the outside. This will help you better to understand this layout. In this type of layout, the second band needs to be half of the first one or even less. So let's say if I have here 50, I cannot have here 30. It's gonna be adjusted, you see. If I have here 40, I need to have 20. That's the rule applicable for this type of cassette. So just keep it in your mind as you use this template. I'm gonna click on Create, go to the preview. I'm gonna rotate it again. I'm gonna zoom in. You can turn it around as you please, and here you see this other section, right? You can zoom in, zoom out, and rotate. I'm rotating it. I can click on left. I can click on front, and then I see the front of my plate. I have not placed perforated sound because this is just a quick overview, so you can practice and do it on your own. Let's take another template. It's double band in the outside, 90 by 90. So here we go. I will turn off the bottom and the top of it. So you're gonna see the difference, and go to the preview. And again, let's rotate it together. You can zoom out, zoom in the corner. I can rotate it so just to see the corner better. This is the first band, the second band. And again, I can just click on adjust zoom. That will bring me back. Go back to template and choose double band in the inside, 90, 180. Create. Just go to preview and rotate it. You can use this type of template of cassette to make a more robust cassette, because as you see, there is a band by 90 degrees and then another one by 180, which will make the edge more robust. And let's go to our last template. Plate band in the inside, 180. This is more like an envelope, really. So the edges are also more robust because there is this double band. So I'm gonna turn it. Here we go. This is our last template. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you good luck with designing your new three-dimensional cassettes in Designer. Good luck!